Hi, Scott here at the Omcan Test Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to use the automatic garlic peeler. Easy to set up. All you have to do is hook up a water line to your sink and have it drain into a sink or another basin for your waste. Simply just to set up, put the lid on like that. You'll see an on and off switch, and that's it. So once you have secured the lid, all you have to do is turn on the water and the machine. I have here some garlic cloves that I have removed from the bulbs, and all I have to do once the machine is on is pour it in. Water is now running. A splash. It should take about 5 to 8 minutes. To simply check the progress, turn off the machine in water, and you'll be able to see through the top on how much more longer you might have to go. All right, so that after 6 minutes, you can now see the progress that we've gotten. Simply open up the lid. As you can see, all the waste and peels have gone into the sink, and that can be strained so that it doesn't go down. And there you have it. All the garlic you put in there is now peeled. To clean, this can be put in the dishwasher or cleaned at your sink. Next, you can just remove the disc, which also can be put in the dishwasher or hand washed. There's just a few peels left over in here that you can just remove by hand or flush it down the chute. Simply then rinse it with mild detergent and sanitizer and dry it with a clean towel.